will start the topic of projection of lines. So first we will discuss about the first angle projections. The cases arises like this. This is our first angle, first quadrant, first angle projections. So the lines may be parallel to any axis. For example, in first case, the line lying at the junction of both the axis, horizontal and vertical axis. The line lying at the junction of both the lines. It means in first angle projection we can draw its projection like first of all you draw a line at x and y. The line is lying over here. So first of all we will see from the right hand side. So its projection will be on the vertical plane. This is my vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. Its projection, the line lies over here. If its length is about L is the length, or it may be 40 millimeters. So this is the point from this side. You can see this. Its length is, suppose this line is A dash, A dash, B dash. So this is the line A. And if you see from the top, its view is in the plan is same. It is denoted by A, B. This is the answer of the line lying on both the planes. Then in the second case, the line lies on the horizontal plane. What this distance is in front of vertical plane. The second case is here, the line is over here. It's like this. So you first of you draw its front view from the right hand side. Again you draw this line, XY line. So its view from the front side is like this because this line lies on the horizontal plane. So this line, we suppose the name of this line is CD. This is the length of the line. In the front view it is denoted by CD dash. If you were to see from the top, this distance, how much millimeter is in front of the vertical plane? This distance may be 20 millimeter. So from this you draw the projection lines 30 to 20 millimeter and join this. These are the projections of the line from the top denoted by CD, and this distance is denoted by 20 millimeter. This is the second case when the line is parallel to horizontal plane. The line lies on the horizontal plane. What 20 millimeter in front of vertical plane. Similarly, now the third case is the line lies on the vertical plane. What 30 millimeter above the horizontal plane. In this case, again, I will swallow it over here. This is my. Again, you will observe this, and its answer will be from the front side. This is the distance. How much this distance is above the horizontal plane. So from here you cut off this distance. Whatever is given, I say it is 25 millimeter. So measure this distance 25 millimeter. Then this will be the front view of the line. I can say it is E dash F dash. This line is EF, lying on the vertical plane 25 millimeter above the horizontal plane. And if you will observe from the top, its view will be like this. It is lies on the vertical plane. It is denoted by EF. So these are the simple cases, and you can mark this distance as this dimension 25 millimeters. This is the third case. In the fourth case, now the line is lying over here. It means it is some distance above the horizontal plane and some distance in front of the vertical plane. This case. For this case, I can say it is parallel to both the planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane. What its distance above the horizontal plane is 10 millimeter and 40 millimeter in front of vertical plane. For that type of solution, I will can say its answer will be like this. Now this line is, suppose this line is, I say it is LM line. Now its name is LM line. This line lies parallel to both the planes. What its distance of the horizontal plane and vertical plane is? This is the next case. In this case, this line is 10 millimeter above the horizontal plane. So you mark this line, this distance is the line, and measure this distance as 10 millimeter. And whatever is length, you mark this length. This is the line LM, L dash M. This distance I have taken 10 millimeter above the horizontal plane. Its front view is like this. Then you see from the top view, the line and its distance in front of vertical plane is 40 millimeter. You take the projection of these lines and measure this distance at 40 millimeter, and after 40 millimeter you mark this line. This is a top view as LM, and this distance is 40 millimeters. This is a case when the line is parallel to the both planes and its distance from the horizontal plane in the above direction and in front of this is given. The next case is when the line is parallel to one plane and inclined to another plane. So that case I will take over here. The line is parallel to horizontal plane and inclined to vertical plane. This is the case for this. This line is parallel to horizontal plane and inclined to vertical plane.
Again, sir. Again, sir. Sir, angle के कारण.
This side. Okay. Yes. This is the angle for this. It is inclined to the vertical plane. And you can see this is inclined. What is parallel to the horizontal plane? In this case, when the line is again to draw this line will be like this. I will take the case over here. First of all, you draw a line XY, okay. This first you will see, because this line is inclined to vertical plane from the top. So first of all you draw its view. So on X and Y, because this will be drawn on the horizontal plane. For this you take any point over here. The angle given, I say this is at an angle of 45 degree. This angle of inclination with the vertical plane is 45 degree. Okay, so you draw this line at angle of 45. Its length is given, you cut its length. What is it? If this length is, I say AB is of 70 millimeter, cut its length. Then, in the second case, you take the projections from this point, from the projection, and from here, take its projection and in the projection. The distance now, how much is above the horizontal plane? This distance you take, say it is 45 millimeters. It's you cut over this distance as 45 millimeters. And join this line. Okay. This is the projection of line AB. This line is 45 millimeters. Its length, whatever its length is given. This is the actual length. I can rotate it by L. So this will be its inclined length. Okay. So take the projection over here, and this is the distance above the horizontal plane is given 45. So again, draw the XY line. What is the angle of inclination with vertical plane? Cut over here. Take its length and take the projection from point A and B and its distance above the XY. You cut it this. So this is the projection of the line AB in front. Now second view is when the line is parallel to the horizontal, it is parallel to the vertical plane and inclined to the vertical plane. It is like this. This line is parallel to the vertical plane and inclined to the horizontal. And inclination is like this. This line is parallel to the vertical and inclined. In this case, again draw the line XY for its projections. This is the line XY. Again see, first you have to draw this. This line is parallel to the vertical plane and inclined to the horizontal plane. For this, you draw its front view. Front view means from here, whatever the angle is given, from here you draw the line. Okay. This angle may be 30 degrees. Okay. So its actual length is given. Suppose its length is L. From here you cut this length. This is the length of the line. And this line is noted by PQ, P dash Q dash. So this is the angle of inclination with the horizontal plane. Its actual length is L. Then you draw the projections of this line like this from point Q. And this will be given how much this line is parallel to this vertical plane and inclined to this. Because this distance in front of vertical plane, how much it is? Like this, how much is this distance? This line is parallel, and this point is how many millimeters in front of vertical plane? Suppose this distance line is about 15 millimeter in front of vertical plane. You cut this distance as 15 millimeter, and this will be the line projection of line PQ in plan. This is the line PQ in plan. So in other cases, it will be like given like this. Sometimes he has given the inclination directly with the horizontal plane or vertical. In some cases, he may say one end of this line is so much millimeter from the or vertical. In this case, you draw the angle and then measure this distance, how much is it away, and you start the line from this point. For example, I will take this next point, a line. There is one problem. This is one of the cases that can be solved. Draw the elevation of line 40 millimeter long, which is parallel to horizontal plane, 25 millimeter above it, and inclined at 30 degree to vertical plane. The left end is 15 millimeter in front of vertical plane. So this is the case. The in front of vertical plane, one end. So this is the case of here. This angle is 30. So when you see from the, it's like this. If this line is this end, this one end is 50 millimeters in front of vertical plane. So for this case, take any point over here. I will repeat the same question. It is like this. Take line XY. I will repeat this. Take this line XY at the angle in, this is the line XY. You draw on this a angle of 30 degree, inclined to vertical plane. Okay. So one end of the line is 50. After drawing this 30 degree angle, you measure this distance. When this distance is maybe here 10 millimeter, here 12 millimeter. When this distance is 15 millimeter, it means this is the starting point of line AB. This is the point A, and this angle is 30 degree. It's 1 and A is so many millimeter, 50 millimeter in front of vertical plane. This is the distance. This distance is taken as 50 millimeter in front of vertical plane. After this point, from here you measure the length of line AB. This is the length of line AB. This may be whatever the length is. This is the top view of the line as per the given statement. Okay. So then from A and B you draw the projection line. And the line is how much above the horizontal plane. So cut that distance. And these are the projections. So this is the projection of line A dash B dash of this line. So when the angle is one edge is this over here. So these are the projections of line AB in the front. So these are the cases of lines. So again for this, it is very simple and easy.